How are you? Well, hot?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine, right? Yeah. So it's comfortable. It's beautiful weather. We don't need the air today.
Bless you. It's cold instantly.